Hey, ready? Today we're getting a really useful Hindi feeling into your ear. How to talk about the past when something used to happen, was happening, or was just the situation back then. Not one quick finished action like I ate or I went, but that softer background feeling. I used to play, it was raining, we lived there, I was 8, things like that. This is the stuff people use all the time when telling stories about childhood, school days, old habits, and those back then memories. In natural Hindi, one super common pattern is a verb plus ta, ti, te, the. Think of it as the used to vibe. So, khelta tha means used to play or would play. Jati thi means used to go. Rehte the means used to live. Very common, very useful, and honestly kind of cozy. It sounds like memory. Here's the big idea. If something happened again and again in the past, Hindi often uses this pattern. If something was in progress in the past, Hindi often uses raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the. And if you're simply describing how things were, you'll often use tha, ti, the by themselves. So 3 easy buckets. Bucket 1, repeated past habit. Bucket 2, ongoing past action. Bucket 3, past description or state. Nice, clean, no headache. Let's make it real. When I was a child, I played outside every day. In Hindi, jab main bachcha tha, main har din bahar khelta tha. Jab main bachcha tha, main har din bahar khelta tha. If a woman is speaking, she'd say khelti thi. Same idea, just matching the speaker. How do you say, when I was a child, I played outside every day? जब मैं बच्चा था, मैं हर दिन बाहर खेलता था. जब मैं बच्चा था, मैं हर दिन बाहर खेलता था. Notice the rhythm there. बच्चा था was a child. Then खेलता था, used to play. Hindi loves this pattern in memory talk. Now let's do weather, because weather is amazing for background. If you say, it was raining, that's not a repeated habit. That's an ongoing scene in the past. Hindi says, बारिश हो रही थी. बारिश हो रही थी. Literally, rain was happening. Nice and visual. How do you say it was raining in Hindi? बारिश हो रही थी. बारिश हो रही थी. And if you want to build a little scene, मैं घर पर था और बारिश हो रही थी. मैं घर पर था और बारिश हो रही थी. I was at home and it was raining. Supernatural. Now let's talk about repeated family habits. My grandmother used to tell stories every night. In Hindi, a very natural way is, मेरी दादी हर रात कहानियाँ सुनाया करती थीं. मेरी दादी हर रात कहानियाँ सुनाया करती थीं. That करती थी part gives a lovely used to do regularly feeling. You can also hear simpler forms in speech, but this one is excellent for repeated habit with that warm storytelling feel. How do you say my grandmother used to tell stories every night? मेरी दादी हर रात कहानियाँ सुनाया करती थी. मेरी दादी हर रात कहानियाँ सुनाया करती थी. Little trick. If you hear करती थी, करते थे, किया करता था, these often point to something that happened regularly in the past. Think routine, habit, old pattern. Like an old playlist your life kept replaying. Now another really common one, where you used to live. We lived in a small town. Hindi, हम एक छोटे शहर में रहते थे. हम एक छोटे शहर में रहते थे. How do you say we lived in a small town in Hindi? हम एक छोटे शहर में रहते थे. हम एक छोटे शहर में रहते थे. That रहते थे is gold. You'll use it a lot. I used to live. रहता था और रहती थी. We used to live, रहते थे. They used to live, रहते थे और रहती थी, depending on who they are. And now age. Hindi often describes age with of years. So I was 8 years old becomes मैं 8 साल का था. मैं 8 साल का था. If a female speaker says it, मैं 8 साल की थी. मैं 8 साल की थी. How do you say I was 8 years old in Hindi? मैं 8 साल का था. मैं 8 साल का था. That's bucket 3, simple past description. No action, just a past state. I was young. मैं छोटा था. The house was big. घर बड़ा था. The weather was cold. मौसम ठंडा था. Easy. Let's build more instinct. If you want every summer we went to the village, Hindi can say, हर गर्मियों में हम गांव जाते थे. हर गर्मियों में हम गांव जाते थे. That जाते थे gives that repeated summer habit. How do you say every summer we went to the village in Hindi? हर गर्मियों में हम गांव जाते थे. हर गर्मियों में हम गांव जाते थे. And if you want a background scene, the sun was shining. धूप निकल रही थी. धूप निकल रही थी. Or more simply in some contexts, धूप थी. There was sunlight. But धूप निकल रही थी gives the unfolding scene. How do you say the sun was shining in Hindi? धूप निकल रही थी. धूप निकल रही थी. Here's a useful memory shortcut. If in English you can say used to, Hindi often likes ta tha, ti thi, te the, or sometimes karta tha style forms. If in English you can say was doing, Hindi often likes raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the. If in English you can say was plus description, Hindi often just uses tha, thi, the. So I used to study at night. मैं रात में पढ़ता था. मैं रात में पढ़ता था. I was studying at night. मैं रात में पढ़ रहा था. मैं रात में पढ़ रहा था. I was tired. मैं थका हुआ था. मैं थका हुआ था. 3 different feelings: habit, ongoing action, description. Let's play with that a bit. How do you say I used to study at night in Hindi? मैं रात में पढ़ता था. मैं रात में पढ़ता था. How do you say I was studying at night in Hindi? मैं रात में पढ़ रहा था. मैं रात में पढ़ रहा था. Good. Hear the difference? पढ़ता था is the repeated habit. पढ़ रहा था is the action in progress at that moment in the past. Now, a tiny side note that helps a lot. In Hindi, the verb form often matches gender and number. So a male speaker says karta tha. A female speaker says karti thi. For plural groups, you often hear karte the. Don't panic. Just learn the chunk that matches you first. Then notice the others as you hear them. Another natural context is school memories. Our teacher used to come early. हमारी टीचर जल्दी आती थी. हमारी टीचर जल्दी आती थी. Notice I said teacher, not some super formal book word. This is how people actually talk. How do you say, our teacher used to come early in Hindi? हमारी टीचर जल्दी आती थी. हमारी टीचर जल्दी आती थी. The classroom was small. Classroom छोटा था. Totally natural to use classroom. Now let's talk about common mistakes, because these are sneaky. First mistake, using an ongoing form when you really mean a habit. If you want I used to play every day, don't say मैं हर दिन खेल रहा था, unless you mean I was in the middle of playing every day, which sounds off. Say मैं हर दिन खेलता था. Habit gets the da ta feel. Second mistake, forgetting that descriptions often need only ta, ti, te. I was young is not मैं जवान हो रहा था, unless you mean I was becoming young, which, okay, unless you found a magical anti-aging cream, probably not. Just say मैं छोटा था or मैं जवान था, depending on context. Third mistake, mixing up age with an English pattern. Don't try to translate word for word as I was 8-year. Hindi says मैं 8 साल का था or की थी. Think of 8 years. Fourth mistake, overusing exact subject pronouns in every sentence in a stiff way. Hindi often allows natural flow. You can say जब मैं छोटा था, हर दिन बाहर खेलता था. That sounds fine too in conversation, because the subject is already clear. Now let's hear a short story. First, just listen to the whole thing in Hindi. जब मैं छोटा था, हम एक छोटे शहर में रहते थे. मेरे पापा सुबह जल्दी उठते थे और मैं देर तक सोता था. शाम को मैं दोस्तों के साथ बाहर खेलता था. एक दिन मौसम बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन रात को बारिश हो रही थी. मेरी दादी हर रात कहानियां सुनाया करती थी. तब मैं 8 साल का था और दुनिया बहुत बड़ी लगती थी. Now the same story, one line at a time. जब मैं छोटा था, हम एक छोटे शहर में रहते थे. When I was little, we lived in a small town. मेरे पापा सुबह जल्दी उठते थे और मैं देर तक सोता था. My dad used to wake up early in the morning, and I used to sleep late. शाम को मैं दोस्तों के साथ बाहर खेलता था. In the evening, I used to play outside with friends. एक दिन मौसम बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन रात को बारिश हो रही थी. One day, the weather was very nice, but at night it was raining. मेरी दादी हर रात कहानियां सुनाया करती थी. My grandmother used to tell stories every night. तब मैं 8 साल का था और दुनिया बहुत बड़ी लगती थी. At that time, I was 8 years old and the world felt very big. Nice. That's real Hindi storytelling. Not just grammar, but feeling. Let's do a few fast recall moments. How do you say, we used to watch TV at night? हम रात को टीवी देखते थे. हम रात को टीवी देखते थे. How do you say, the weather was cold in Hindi? मौसम ठंडा था. मौसम ठंडा था. How do you say, my brother was sleeping in Hindi? मेरा भाई सो रहा था. मेरा भाई सो रहा था. Beautiful. Habit, description, ongoing action. You're hearing the pattern now. One more practical tip. Use time words to trigger the right form. Words like har din, every day, bachpan mein, in childhood, pehle, before, us samay, at that time, usually point toward this background past style. So if you hear har ravivar, every Sunday, your brain can start expecting something like jate the, khelte the, milta tha, that kind of form. And if you're painting a scene in the middle of a story, words like tab, us waqt, when, while, can lead into ongoing forms like ho rahi thi, pad raha tha, so rahi thi. So your memory trick is this. Habit has a soft drum beat. Ta tha ta tha ta tha. Ongoing action has motion. Raha tha. Description just stands there. Ta, ti, te. Before we wrap up, say these in your head with me. Main chota tha. I was little. Hum gaon jate the. We used to go to the village. Barish ho rahi thi. It was raining. Meri dadi kahaniyan sunaya karti thi. My grandmother used to tell stories. Main 8 saal ka tha. I was 8 years old. That's a strong little toolkit already. So today, the main idea was simple. For old habits in Hindi, use forms like khelta tha, jate the, rehti thi. For actions in progress in the past, use raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the. For descriptions and situations, use ta, ti, te. If you remember those 3 feelings, you can tell childhood stories, describe old routines, talk about weather, age, and background scenes very naturally. And honestly, this is one of those topics where repetition really works. Listen for it in songs, interviews, family stories, random YouTube vlogs, anywhere. Once your ear catches ta, ti, te patterns, you'll start hearing them everywhere. Full on everywhere. You're doing great. Seriously. If some forms still feel a little slippery, that's normal. Language isn't a math exam, Yar. It's more like learning the vibe of a song. Keep listening, keep repeating, and these pastime patterns will start sounding completely natural. Nice work. And next time you talk about your childhood in Hindi, you'll actually have the words for it.